I'm going to walk on this section and then I will come back over here. So, okay, I'm going to take the. I'm hearing lots of birds chirping, but not seeing anything so far. Okay, so we have one viewpoint over here, which looks very nice by the way. So, and water is so calm. I'm seeing some good reflections over here. Okay, you know what? This area is so beautiful. Oh, I'm seeing two ducks landing. Wow. This section is so beautiful. I think I need to change my lens. This boardwalk is so nice. Look at this scene. This is so beautiful. This is on both sides, so this is so nice. Unbelievable. Okay, I love this trail by the way. This trail is nice. This trail is very nice. Very beautiful trail. Wow. Oh, there is a trail now, rather on the boardwalk. I took some pictures and now going back to the car. I highly recommend. Very easy walk and with very good views. So this is called Riverside Trail at the Pinery Provincial Park, and it's awesome by the way. I'll show you the sign again. So very nice. I highly recommend. I will come back in autumn and in summer. Okay, so I had a very good time at the Pinery Provincial Park.